Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the relatively new, brand new, iPad by Apple. This is the 6th generation of the iPad with 128GB of storage. As you can see there, 6th generation, 128GB of storage, which is a lot of storage considering that the 1st and 2nd generations only have 16GB. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to unbox and open this now. There you go, that's what the iPad looks like at first glance. So I've edged out a little bit, I have a bit of my editing there, so you can see the iPad slot out. And this is what the iPad looks like. But mainly, we need to have a look at what's inside here. So it comes with a USB charger, and also designed by Apple in California. It also comes with this, the main charging thing, 10 watts of electricity. Let's go through here. So I'll just quickly put that back in there. So that's the unboxing. We've now just got the iPad unwrapped out of its packaging, and let's have a look at what it looks like underneath. So the 6th generation iPad, I must say, looks almost identical to the 5th generation of the iPad and the 4th. It's not really much of a change, apart from the iPad storage and sort of software inside. See, the camera is there. Got the 2 volume buttons, and also the power button. And you've got a rather small dot there, a headphone jack, and of course the charging and speakers. It does come with this sort of little plastic thing, which I have not many objections to. To be a bit nice and, clean. This iPad was made in 2018, so I think that it's a 7th generation iPad, which is, like, really expensive. But this one is probably the best under £600 iPad you can buy today. So we turn it on quickly. It goes on very fast, and it actually comes with, I've just realised that a few minutes ago, 57% battery. So I'll quickly do my fingerprint recognition, if it works. It doesn't seem to be working. Oh, hello. There we go. And these are all the apps it comes with. So your standard there, and also it does actually come with YouTube, my one, and GarageBand and iMovie, which I use my editing for, and also Clips, which is very nice. And if you move the screen from side to side, the background also moves. You probably can't pick up too much on the iPad, but trust me, in real life you'll be able to see that. Go on to Settings, and we go on to General. It comes with, as you can see here, it already has 10.6GB on it, which is, I mean, I was expecting a bit better, but I mean, I can't really complain. There's 128GB of memory on this spare. So a total of 118GB spare left. That's it, the total, so yeah. And it also, I'm actually, again, very impressed by it coming with screen recording. That's a good thing when it comes with. You can just get it anyway, but I'm very pleased that it comes with that stocked. So that's more or less it with the iPad. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you very much.